we always see C++ structure in this format. And I think it's like the norm. It's like the norm, and a lot of people think that if it's not structured like this, then something's wrong. Well, the question is not necessarily something is wrong, because I can choose to not code in C++ as this, and it doesn't mean that it's wrong. The only reason why a lot of people, it has become the standard is because for readability, for greater readability. That's the reason why it's structured like that, for greater readability. Let's say I'm doing this for me, and I'm not sending this code to anybody else. I can just do it like this right here, and it's still going to be the same. But if I were to do it like this right here, it's still good. It doesn't mean my code is wrong. I can run this code right now. It's still going to say hello world. As a matter of fact, I don't like hello world. I like to use me. You know what I mean? I like to use I am. I like to use I am. I'm SDWJR. Now, if I were to run this code, let's see, voila, come on, hit the brother. Right there, bingo. I'm SDWJR. Now, I did that in this format that is not the norm. Now, if I want to bring this format down here and run this program again, it still says the same thing, right? Let's see. Voila, same thing. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where. But again, if I'm doing this for other people to read, like I said, again, for greater readability, then that's what I'm going to do. And then run the code again. Simple as that. So let's not get too confused now, guys. You know what I mean? If you actually doing it for better readability, that's a good route to go.